Hi guys, Abby here, and for today's episode, I will be teaching you how I edit my videos, how I screen record my desktop, to how I compile them. This is inspired by our professor, Mr. Edwin, so credits to him. Check out his channel. If you wanna learn more, let's go! So here is Ob Studio where I record my desktop. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon, tawag sa kanya ay scene. So you can add another scene dito sa lower left. Just click on the plus sign, tapos pwede nyo din siyang i-rename, depende dun sa gusto nyo. Dito nakalocate yung volume and yung mic nyo. Pwede nyong i-change yung volume dito. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add ng gusto nyong i-display tulad ng screen or ng window. I-click nyo lang yung plus sign under sa sources. As you can see, meron nang nakalagay. Ito yung character ko and yung naka-display ngayon, which is yung OBS. So, try natin ilagay yung Chrome. So, plus sign, tapos window capture, then tulad lang sa scene, rename, and okay. After that, pwede nyo siyang i-resize. Depende sa gusto nyo. Same steps lang sa pag-a-add ng cam. Plus sign, then video capture device, rename, then okay. Tapos, piliin mo yung cam na gusto mong gamitin. Don't forget to press OK. Dito, kinancel ko lang kasi hindi naman ako gagamit ng cam. Pwede din kayo mag-remove sa sources. Just right-click, then remove. You can edit the sources. Right-click on it. Select filters. Click the plus sign on the lower left. Kunwari, magka-crop tayo. So, let's select that. You can rename it if you want to. Okay. Edit the ratios. And you're done. If you're done recording, you can select stop sa right side and find your videos sa folder ng videos ng inyong PC or laptop. In compiling and also editing, I use the software Wondershare Filmora version 10. As you can see, here are my old projects. And here you can choose if you want to create a new one or open an old one. Filmora has many things to offer, so let's start with the basics. First, let's start with importing videos, photos, audio, and more. Select import on the upper left, then import media files. Locate the files you want to import sa Filmora. For starters, let's try to add my intro. Just drag it down, and that's it. You can also manipulate the sizes of your trackbar. Kung nakikita nyo yung somewhat wavelength dun sa ilalim ng intro na dinrag ko sa trackbar, that's the volume. You can change it by dragging it up and down. If you want to add a trackbar, just click the plus sign under the undo and then click add track. You can also lock and unlock the tracks. Let's try to drag an image. You can edit this by just clicking on it. Here are some features that you can use in editing in Filmora. When inserting text, just click on titles, select your chosen style, drag to trackbar, click on it, and you can start editing. Editing text also has an advanced setting. Same goes with the other features of Filmora. When adding transitions, just click on transition itself. Here are some examples. Filmora has many features to offer, so make sure to explore. And eventually, you'll learn. If you're done editing, just click on export. You can choose the type of file you want. Here, you can also see where it will be located, and also you can edit the settings before exporting. So this is the example video. So that would be it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot, and if you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to ring the notification bell below, and see you next episode. Bye-bye!